Hi and welcome to our lesson number 6. This is Professor Robert, and today we are going to study understanding rational numbers. Understanding rational numbers. Rational numbers. Did you know that every fraction you've ever used, like 1/2 or 3/4, belongs to a powerful group of numbers called rational numbers? Today we will break them down and make them super easy to understand. A rational number is any number that can be written as A divided by B, where A is an integer. For example, -3, 0, 5. And B is a non-zero integer. B cannot be 0 because any number divided by 0 is so big that we can't determine its value. So as long as B is not 0, then this number A divided by B is called a rational number. And so all numbers, like say 3/4, rational numbers. -1/3 is a rational number, and even 5 is a rational number because 5 is the same as 5 divided by 1. But as long as the denominator is not 0. Now, rational numbers can also be written as decimals. For example, 3 divided by 4 fraction can be written as a decimal, and it is equal to 0.75. We can look at another example of, say, -1/3. This one can be written as 0.333 continuously. And then -5/11 can be written as -0.454545 continuously. So it's important to always distinguish between our decimals. This first decimal here is called a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Because 3 divided by 4 will give you 0.75, period. However, when you have 1/3, which in this case -1/3, gives you -0.333 continuously. So this one is referred to as a repeating decimal. Repeating decimal number. Now, a repeating decimal number can be either just repeating numbers or pattern. So this last number here is a repeating decimal. In terms of partner. So we can say repeating partner. Pattern, actually. Decimal. Because minus 5 divided by 11 it gives you minus 0 0.454545 continuously. Now, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.